Welcome to the Ultimate Hybrid Energy Storage System, or HESS, battle, flywheels versus supercapacitors. We'll compare these two high-speed technologies. This is a race for sub-second grid response, pitting mechanical momentum against electrochemical discharge. We'll compare them on cycle life, efficiency, and cost. Flywheels store energy mechanically in a heavy rotor, spinning at very high speeds in a vacuum. Vacuum enclosures and magnetic bearings reduce friction, offering high-speed performance. Supercapacitors are high-capacity capacitors, using porous electrodes for massive surface area. They store charge electrostatically, avoiding chemical reactions and offering the fastest response time in milliseconds. Looking at durability, both offer up to 1 million cycles. Flywheels have a longer service life, over 20 years, with minimal mechanical degradation. Supercapacitors are more sensitive to thermal and voltage changes. Supercapacitors lead in efficiency at 95% due to ultra-low internal resistance. Flywheels achieve 90% efficiency, losing small amounts of energy to standby drag and magnetic losses. Both are power-dense, designed for bursts of power, not long-term storage like batteries. Supercapacitors let in power density at 5,000 to 15,000 W per kilogram. Supercapacitors have high initial capital costs, or CapEx. Flywheels benefit from low operational costs, or OpEx, due to non-contact bearings. Over 20 years, flywheels often win on the levelized cost of storage. Blending these technologies creates a hybrid energy storage system. Batteries provide high energy storage, while flywheels or supercapacitors offer rapid transient response. The controller protects the battery from thermal stress. Both options are relatively eco-friendly. Flywheels avoid hazardous chemicals, and their rotors are recyclable. Supercapacitors operate effectively across a wide temperature range. Applications include grid stability, correcting frequency in milliseconds, regenerative braking in trains and elevators, and pulsed power for scientific and military systems.